So this tip is just about understanding the difference between applying a view template and assigning a view template. So you can see here I've got some 3D views. If I go and grab these 3D views and I assign a view template, like this architectural presentation template here, and if everything's ticked to control all of the features of that view, you'll see it overrides the views. And if I go to one of those views, if I go to control any of these elements, they are locked out because it's controlled by the view template. Now, alternatively, what I can do is I can just click these views and apply a view template. I'm selecting the same view template here. And you see it's controlling those, it's overridden all of those settings. However, this is all still unlocked, so I can have elements that are different from view to view. Now you can combine these. If I assign a view template like this presentation one, but I untick just the model and shading, for example, I can have it controlling the level of detail and the other items, but the shading is still available for me to edit. And then I can apply a view template to just control the shadows. So I can turn the shadows on and it will say it will partially apply, so it's going to override these two. Turning on the shadows, can apply a view template, turn the shadows off, just controlling those two. Shadows can be quite heavy on the model, so it's a nice way to be able to sort of globally turn them on and off for all of your 3D views at once. Another good example of where the apply template properties can be really helpful is in design options. So you can see I've got three different types of views. I've got an elevation, a 3D view, and a floor plan. I can just apply the template properties, and I've got templates set up here for the various design options, only controlling the design options dialog. If I apply that, I can change all of these views to a separate design option really rapidly. I can go in at any point here and apply a different one, and you'll see it changes all of the views. So it's a nice way to set up all your views for the first option. You can duplicate all those views and then really rapidly swap them to the alternative option.